My name is Milan Sterk. I will present you our brand new Sterk 26 today. Let's start with the hull. That is our specialty. We have a performance hull that is completely different to any other two-stepped hull. Biggest difference are the spray rail hooks that you can find here. Those spray rail hooks, they squeeze the water, they compress it and lift the boat up higher. Less drag because here you don't have any water that is dragging. It's all compressed in between the spray rail hooks. You have around 30% less fuel consumption because of less drag. Or you can go 30% faster. We have a reverse chine to enlarge the deck and avoid spray inside the boat. So the water goes to the side and not up. As you can see here, we have no rub rail. The deck and hull connection is hidden here. This is a more advanced, more difficult joint than just to place a rub rail and connect it with screws and glue. You can see our big platform. This is for a single engine only. If you want to install a twin engine, you would need to remove or not add those platforms as they are optional. You have a bathing ladder standard and easy accessible deck shower. There is shore power. You have deck lights all around. You have convertible backrest where you can enlarge the sun bed. A spare foldable seat. Everybody can have a good time here at the huge table that consists of two parts. Big storage room and two side storage room on the floor.
We also have a very huge fridge for a 26 feet boat, 90 liters. So if you want to have a wine or an Aperol, this is absolutely possible. An area to heat something. We also have something to cover this, of course, and something to wash and to keep everything clean. What is very nice is that the wet bar is close to the lounge, so you don't have to stand up to get all your stuff or go into the cabin. However, if you need more space, this one is optional. So the whole area here between the cockpit and the lounge is free space.
Dry storage underneath every seat. Massive T-top. I think it's 7 square meters. You have a walk-around area, so you can go to the front on both sides.
So if you want to move to the bow of the boat, you can choose the right or the left side, and you have the possibility to use this huge sunbed area, even though we also have the nice lounge in the aft of the boat.
You have a nice cockpit. This boat drives 54 knots with the maximum horsepower, twin 250s. You want to be standing at that speed, so you can lean nicely and you can hold yourself on the steering wheel. Everything is in reach. Here would be the joystick. Here you have the remote control and the double 10-inch Q display. Compass would be here. Everything has its own place. We have built a nice performance hull, but we also added a very spacious cabin. We have storage space underneath the front, and we have a nice separate head with toilet shower that you can see here. Here you can find a nice little wardrobe where you can put your clothes. It's a dry storage inside the cabin. Underneath this cushion you can find a table or additional storage room as you wish.
As we define us as a family performance boat, we have elevated sidewalls so that your children and the whole family feel really safe in that boat. On top of that, this boat is still trailerable, which means that you can reach different destinations with this 388-liter fuel tank and a 100-liter water tank. As you've seen, this boat comes in different configurations, with T-top, without T-top, different engine packages. You still have a very nice performance hull, you have a family boat, you are flexible as it's trailerable. This boat really adapts to you and your needs.